the path is got changed. Now, what the point you are right? Click yes, then next. Next, what button you have to click on? Next, change. Change. 10th point. Change the path to C:/JDK-21 by removing the characters. What are they? Double quotes slash program files slash Java slash carefully. Remove that much part. 1 second. Don't remove here. Character by character, slowly click on delete button, delete button, delete button. So that characters are removed. Online students, everybody watching? What is the 11th point? Then click OK. Look at the button. After changing, change path. Change path, what is there? OK. Okay. After changing, OK. Then next button is what? Next. Watch. Click next. Everybody look at here. When I click on next, installation started. Actually, in a system, this much time it will not take because in my system already JDK available. I forgot to uninstall it. That's why it is updating. That's why taken little extra time. Look, JDK installation is completed. Click on close. Now, what is the step number? JDK installation is over or completed. JDK installation is complete. Click close. Arey Babu, Nana, where you installed? Somewhere installed. Somewhere installed. When you install any software on the desktop, shortcut icon will be added. Look at there, any JDK shortcut icon is added? No. Okay. Other softwares when install, you no need to worry because shortcuts windows are coming. But come to Java, no shortcut. You should know where you install. Right on that. The JDK note. The JDK installation path or Java underscore home is C:/JDK-21. ఇది పాత్. ఎక్కడన్నా JDK ఎక్కడ ఉందరా అంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి నువ్వు. C డ్రైవ్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ తెలుగు నో? తెలుగు నోన్ పీపుల్. ఓకే. మధ్య మధ్యలో తెలుగు వాడతాను. ఓకే. When I am speaking in Telugu, non-Telugu people don't get tension that I am teaching Java. Okay. So Telugu, English, Hindi, all three I will use in the class based on my comfort. So that I will create a feeling that you are in your native language class. Okay. So can I expect everyone understood how to install JDK software? So the first part completed, installing JDK. Where did you install JDK? Whose C drive? In whose system? Whose system? Huh? User system. Who is that user? Huh? This is called common sense and presence of mind. I have installed in the class for my sake, for our sake. Our sake. Right? Second, this laptop I am using and showing everything for my sake, our sake. Our sake. Understood? Then whose laptop is this laptop? Our laptop. After class, don't take this laptop with you. Okay, 7:30 to 9, this laptop is our laptop. After 9 o'clock, it is my laptop. You cannot take, okay? Listen, remember, have the common sense. Whatever I am doing in my laptop, you should feel you are doing. These fingers and hand, whose hand? Your hand. Behalf of you, I am doing. You feel it. Once I say good morning, once you see my desktop, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, then immediately you should feel, okay, whose system started? Your system started. Start button clicked, your desktop. And then now next what are you doing? I want to install Java software. Are you feeling? Feel. You are in where? In your room, hostel room. Physically you are here, but logically you are in your hostel room. Open laptop. Open the laptop. Start the system. And then when I say, come on, open the browser. Open the browser, and who is opening? You only. Now in your laptop, you open the browser. How you are opening browser on your laptop? By using mouse. Mouse, there, click. Okay. A lifelong mouse use, click. Get out. Use a keyboard. Stop using mouse. Maximum try to use keyboard. Start button and type what? Chrome. Okay. Press enter. Chrome browser open. Then I am saying, now search for JDK. Then search for JDK. Who is searching for JDK? You only. Search for JDK. JDK download. Next I am saying click Java downloads. Who is clicking? You only. In whose system? Your system. Click Java downloads. And then now you are seeing in your system, where is the download button? Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Achha, there are two things are there. Java 24, Java 21. You should get a doubt. Which version I should download? Look, here clear information. JDK 21 is the latest version. I don't want to use. JDK 24 is the latest version. JDK 21 has the latest long-term support. Long-term ante now I need this. I don't want latest version. I want long-term support version. Okay, go down. Click on JDK 21. And then go down. You find Linux, Mac, Windows. What is my system? Windows. Click Windows. There are 3 versions available. Which version I have to install? EXE. I know EXE. I will download and install EXE. So what I am teaching here, what I am showing in my system, you should feel you are doing in your system. Tell me, notebook is your laptop. Understand? You are writing in the notes, not in the notes like in the college. You are doing experiment along with me in your laptop. Last batch, one student asked, sir, then can I bring my laptop to the class? No. Why, sir? You cannot bring laptop to the interview room. You have to feed everything, your laptop, your practice, your notes, everything in your brain. You should feel that you are doing in your laptop logically, imaginary way, not a physical way. So in the class, we are using my laptop, all we together. Everyone ready? So tell me, have you installed JDK software in your laptop? JDK available with a Java environment? Yes. Java with your laptop with Java environment is available. Now it's the time we have to understand. Tell me, when you take a selfie, Or if you give your mobile to your friend asking to take one photo, after taking photo, you are checking the photo correctly come or not? Neatly coming, all your gestures, this side, this side, this side, that side. Okay, now all gestures are coming correctly or not checking. If not correctly coming, what are you doing? You are deleting it and going forward. Next snap. Similarly, after installing JDK software, you must test whether the JDK software running or not. Okay, listen. First, if you want to test JDK software running or not, simple. Open command prompt. In every laptop, we have something called terminal. The terminal is called what? Command prompt. If you want to run any software and you want to test, we need one software that is called command prompt. Commands running. If we take a desktop, on a desktop, it is just showing the software. But I want run the software. If you want run software, there are two things available. There are two types of softwares available. Number one, CUI based software. Number two, GUI based software. How many softwares available? Two, CUI and GUI. What is CUI stands for? Console User Interface or characters user interface. Some people call it as console user interface. Some people are call it as what? Characters user interface. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical user interface. What the meaning of console? There is a one software called console. The console is nothing but command prompt. Command prompt. In the command prompt software, we will get by default command prompt with what is the path? C users slash your username. My username is HK. HK is coming. Okay. Then if you want run a software, I need one window. That window, whose window we are using? Command prompt window we are using to run a software. Then that software is called what? CUI. Tell me, all you people are learning Java with your own money or with your parent money? Then tell me, you are a GUI or CUI? A software doesn't have its own window. That software is using command prompt window to run its logic. Command prompt window. Then it is a independent or dependent? Dependent. On whom? Command prompt software dependent. If any software you are running from, if you are running any software from command prompt window, then that software is called what? Console user interface or character user interface. Now I am taking one more example, real life example. You are learning Java, living in Ameripet, staying in the hostel, surviving your life with your parents' money. Then who are you? You are a CUI application or GUI application? CUI. You are taking help of your parents. Who is the parent here? Command prompt. Now next, there is another type of software available. It is having its own window. For example, I am taking calculator, cal C window. And tell me, calculator software, it is using command prompt software, its one window, its one window. Its one window provided graphical. Its one window is provided to run its logic. Then we call it as what? CUI based GUI based application. CUI based application means a software that is executed by using command prompt window as its source of window. Then we call it as what? CUI. An application that runs by using its own window is called what? GUI application. Tell me, browser is a CUI or GUI? GUI. It has its own window, na? Notepad is a CUI or GUI? GUI. It has its own window. Antivirus, CUI or GUI? GUI. It is having its own window. That means 99.99999% of softwares are CUI or GUI? GUI. Every software is own window. But the problem with the JDK, JDK software is not a GUI based, it is what? CUI based software. CUI based software to run what is required? Command prompt window is required because it don't have its own shell. It doesn't have its own shell. It required some other shell to occupy to live. Tell me, body can live its own? Yes. But inside body you have a soul, na? Hello, soul. Can soul live its own? No. It's required one body. And tell me, what is soul window? Your body. Okay. Now this body has how many years of lifetime? 100 years. If you are sleeping on time, eating good food, having good healthy habits, 100 years you can live. No. Until midnight, reels I am watching. Early morning by 12 a.m. 12 p.m. I am waking up. Okay. Midnight biryanis I am eating. Midnight punugulu, something is there on the road I am eating. Worst fellows. Yes or no? అసలు 4 AM బిర్యానీ వాటర్ in Hyderabad. Still really people are crazy. Okay, one business person started 4 AM biryani and people are going at 4 AM. అసలు huge traffic jam happened that day. ఏం పిచ్చే బిర్యానీ రా, 4 AM బిర్యానీ, midnight బిర్యానీ. Okay. Finally the shop is closed. Okay. People realized that just it is a trend. You know, our YouTubers, social media influencers are the most dangerous people. Your life will be spoiled. Okay, na? So I'm not, see, they will suddenly promote someone. Okay, and we started going there and they will only make them to fall. Okay, one video enough to change the people life. That's why, please, Nana, software influencers, okay, I mean, sorry, social media influencers, maybe they will also started trolling me now. Okay. So requesting you, my dear BTech fellows who are ready for the job, stay away from these influencers and only follow tech videos, not the regular videos. Okay. Tech videos are important. In the tech video also, follow properly who is good, who is bad, analyze properly and take decision. Okay. I will tell you, because you are just about to come to the software industry. There are some social media influencers are promoting some trainers, some institutes, some online videos. Students are trapped with them, join, and finally they realized that they are not providing proper training, they are not providing placements, and finally what happened? No, when they stop going to the further classes, they opened a police case on them, students. They send a lawyer notice saying that you stopped coming to the classes, this remaining fees you have to pay and continue the classes also, otherwise you will be jailed. Understand? Please be careful, don't be get trapped by these influencers. You take the right decision, when to go, how to go, where to go. Okay, this is my humble request to my students. And of course, I'm also requesting the influencers, just by taking money, don't influence or don't promote the wrong people. Proper inquiry you have to do, because students' life is in your hand. Only for your money purpose, don't work. Students' life also should take care of it. That's what my humble request. Finally, tell me, how many types of softwares available? 2 types. CUI based softwares and GUI based software. Sir, last class you told you there are 2 types of softwares: standalone applications and GUI applications. Sorry. Standalone applications and internet application. From where you can access is 2 types of softwares. What is the standalone? Within one computer only you can access is what? Standalone. Anywhere in the world you can access is what? Internet. Now, this is CUI and GUI is what applications? Standalone. So standalone applications are how many types? 2 types. What the 2 types? CUI and GUI. CUI and GUI are the 2 types of standalone application. Tell me, JDK software is a standalone software or internet software? Standalone. Why? You downloaded, installed in your computer. Anything you download, install in your computer or in your lap, on your mobile, then what is this? This is a standalone. The standalone applications are again how many types? 2 types. What are the 2 types? CUI based and GUI based. And tell me, browser is a standalone application or internet application? standalone application. Browser is a standalone application. And then that browser software is a GUI based or CUI based? GUI. It has its own window, na? Right. Then now tell me, if I want to test whether my Java software is running or not, what you have to do? Open open command prompt. So who is providing the shell for the CUI based applications to run? Who is providing the body for CUI applications to run? In Windows operating system, command prompt software is providing that body or providing the window. Open it, clear screen, and then type Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. I want to know whether my Java software is running or not. If running, which version Java software running? There are different version Java softwares available when you type. Now, if you got error message, then Java is not running. I'm getting error message and proper message coming up. Java version. Which version I have installed? 2107. It is released where? 2025 April 15. This particular 2107, not 21. 21 is released many months back. 21.0.7 is released in which version, which month? April 15th, 2025, April 15 it is released. And tell me, finally Java software is running in your computer or not? Can I start developing the programs or not? Right. Continuation notes. Second point is what? Testing whether JDK software is running or not. Step 1, open command prompt. Who is showing it? Sneha. Did you install 22 version in your system? If you install 22 version, it will show 22 version. Smita, it's a long-term support version. I will tell you the meaning in the next classes. At this stage, the theory points. If you install 21, it will not show 22, Nana. Go to control panel. Open uninstall if a program. Observe here, how many Java softwares available in your system. I have only one showing 21.0.7. Okay, check in your system also. Open command prompt. Next step is what? Type the run the command. Java space hyphen version. It must show the message as. Why are we changing path? I don't understand. Nihar Ranjay, where you are changing the path? JD, while installing click change button and remove away. I given clear notes point for just to follow it. If you bring laptop to the class and work with the class, then who will listen the class? If you are working in laptop, who will listen the class? Laptop is not for learning. Laptop is for testing. Okay. Now, next very important point you must know. Listen. JDK folder structure. Right up. JDK folder structure. Tell me, you want to become RMP doctor or MBBS doctor? Surgeon. You want to become RMP doctor or MBBS doctor, surgeon, MD? What is the difference between RMP doctor and surgeon? RMP doctor can only give medicine. He don't know what is the different parts of your body, how they are functioning internally, how they are connected internally. If one part getting problem, what are the different parts are affected? He don't know anything. He remember the diseases and tablets and the dose. He will give the dose. If the disease is cured, okay. Otherwise, he will increase the dose. Not cured, finally you are in an almost dying position, then he will suggest you wonderfully. Why don't you consult MBBS doctor? Right? Why don't you consult expert? Then he will along with you coming to the nearest city or nearest town and then giving the treatment there. Finally, what you realized? MBBS doctor will give one small tablet. By next day, you will wake up and come to the home. So there are two types of learnings available. Just know what is what and proceed. Know the point. Let's go internals and understand everything neatly so that next coming days we never face any problem. If you want to understand Java properly, first you should understand JDK software. You already installed JDK software, JDK folder. Inside JDK folder, what are the different files available? You must know. Look at here. I will not explain anything. Just by seeing, you will understand many points yourself. C drive, where you install Java? C drive. Inside C drive, we are going for what? JDK-21. Open JDK-21. इधर देखो क्या क्या है इसमें? What is the first folder? Speak out, everyone. Bin. Second folder, con. Third folder, include. Fourth folder, JMods. Fifth folder, legal. Sixth folder, lib. Among these folders, important folder is what? Bin and what is the pronunciation of LIB? LIB pronunciation. I'm not asking full form of LIB. LIB full form. Libba, liba. Pronunciation of LIB, is it lib or lib? Lib. What the pronunciation of BIN? Bina. Idemo bino, idemo lib. Many people are pronouncing wrongly lib as a lib. It's not lib, it is lib. If you have any doubts, go to Chrome and search. Okay, lib pronunciation. Okay, look, there are two folders are important folders available. No problem, Drupadi, you can reinstall. Bin and lib. So, bin folder contains binary files. Lib folder contains library files. Clearly try to understand. In every software, there are two types of files available. In every software, there are two types of files available. Number one, binary files. Number two, library files. Like in the world, there are two types of people available, boys and girls. Similarly, here also we have two types of files, binary files and library files. So what is the difference between binary files and library files? Binary files are command files. What files? Command files. Library files are program files. What files? Program files. Command files are providing commands for running a program. Library files are providing program. Program ante logic na. Library files are providing logic for developing our application. Listen carefully. While our developing our project, first we will use library files or binary files. When I am developing my project, will I use library files or binary files? Which files first I will use? Library files first I will use. Later I will use what? Binary files. Repeat again. In our JDK software, we have two types of files. Number one, binary files and library files. Binary files are command files. Library files are program files. Binary files provide commands for compiling and running our program. Okay, or simply shortcut, running our program. Library files provides programs with logic to develop our application. First, what is the first step you will do? Develop. After develop, what we do? Compile. After compiling, what you do? Run. Sir, what is compile? I don't understand. I didn't explain anything to understand. Just I introduce a word, accept it. So what is the three stages of program? Number one, develop. Number two, compile. Number three, execute. Okay, run. First, what is coming? Development. For developing purpose, I need library programs, predefined programs given by JDK software. After developing my program, I have to compile the program and I have to execute the program. Tell me, you are joined full stack Java. Full stack Java divided into 5 modules. To teach these 5 modules, I need one faculty for core Java, one faculty for advanced Java, one faculty for Spring Boot microservices. Each course we require one faculty. Similarly, for a development purpose, I need one software. For a compilation purpose, one software. For execution purpose, I need another software. For a development means what? Type and save. For type and save, what is required? Editor software. What the software? Editor software. Look at that. All the content I am typing in one editor software that is called Edit Plus or Notepad. Notepad, Edit Plus. These are called what? Editor softwares. Now I want to compile my program. Further, there is a concept. So there is a software called what? Compiler. What is the software? Compiler. For edit, editor. For compilation, compiler. Come on here. For editor, editor. For editing the program, editor. For compiling the program, compiler. For teaching, teacher. For listening, listener. Learning, learner. Editing, editor. Compiling, compiler. For running, correct. Come on. For running, runner. Wonderful. The run software name is not runner. That software name is interpreter. What is the software name? Interpreter. Java program is run by interpreting. Interpreting means line by line executed. That line by line execution software is called what? Interpreter. Because the line by line execution process is called interpreting. That's why it is called what? Interpreter. I repeat once again. I want my Java program development. There are totally 3 stages are there Java program. 3 steps are there Java program development. Number 1, development. Number 2, compilation. Number 3, execution. How can we edit or develop program? By using editor. How can we compile the program? By using compiler. How can we execute the program? By using interpreter. Listen, interpreter is running my program faster, slower, slow. Why? Because line by line, line by line, line by line is running. It is a slow. So to speed up its execution, one helper program is coming. The helper program is what? JIT compiler. Array, in the class I am teaching. Now while you are working in the lab, you got some doubt. I am having one mentor, helper mentor or not? Where in the lab coordinator is available. He is helping you to solve your problems. Similarly, interpreter is the main person running our program. But this interpreter is slow in execution. To speed up its execution, there is a one more program is called what? JIT compiler. What compiler? JIT compiler. There are 2 compilers available. A compiler that is available in the compilation phase. Also one more compiler is available in the execution phase. This interpreter and the JIT compiler and some other helping programs all together is created as a one software. The name of the software is JVM. What the software name? JVM. And tell me, Java program is executed by JVM software. Don't say interpreter, because interpreter alone is not working. Other software is also helping it. That's why the totally together is called what? JVM. So tell me, who will compile Java program? Compiler. Who will execute Java program? JVM. Then tell me, compiler software should have one name, na? Who is teaching you? Java faculty. What is the name of the Java faculty? Hari Krishna. Similarly, who will compile Java program? Compiler. What is the name of the compiler software? Java C. What is the compiler software name? Java C. Next. Now, who is executing our Java program? JVM. Software is what? JVM. What is the name of that software? Java. Not JVM. Java. So tell me, what are the two commands I have to use to compile and execute my Java program? Java C and then what? Java. Java C for compilation, Java for execution. Samajh mein aaya? Java C running compiler software, Java running JVM software. Now everyone tell me, Java C and Java programs are library files or binary files? Use your common sense. Java C and Java are binary files or library files? Let me once again define what is binary file, what is library file. A file that has commands for running a software is called what? Binary file. A file that has program for developing new programs is called what? Library file. Java C, Java meant for running software or developing program, running software. Java C for running which software? Compiler. Java for running which software? JVM. Then Java C, Java are what softwares? Binary files. By default, binary files are available in which folder? By default, binary files are available in which folder? Bin folder. Go inside bin folder. Inside bin folder, ध्यान से देखो वो क्या है? exe file, exe file, exe file, exe file, java.exe, and then what? javac.exe. In addition to Java C, we also have some extra additional important files called Java P, java.jar. These are the 5 files we are using in our coming classes. Java C immediately we are using tomorrow. Java C immediately we are using tomorrow. Java C is a compiler. Java is what? JVM. Everyone understand? Next, tell me now. Now, binary file, bin folder contain binary file. The important binary files are Java C for running the compiler, Java for running JVM. Up to now, understand? Samajh mein aaya? Everything come to your brain? Second point, very important. Tell me, if I want to compile or execute, first of all, I have to develop my Java program. Tell me, basically Java program is what? Printing some message on the command prompt. Run the program, print message. For a developing Java program, for running and printing some message, I need 2 predefined programs. Number 1, string. Number 2, system. What are the two programs? String and system. Java is a object-oriented programming language. Every program is technically called what? Class. What we call? Class. Every program is technically called class. Tell me now. In our predefined programs, we have 2 classes available. Number 1, string. Number 2, system. String and system are binary files or library files? Library files. They are programs or commands? Programs. Programs we are running or using? Using. When you are developing our Java program, hello world program, inside somewhere we are using string, also we are using what? System. Then where predefined library files are available inside the folder called what? Lib. Not lib, lib. Inside lib folder, we have one program or many programs? Many programs. Because there are many programs, all programs are created as a one zip file. That zip file extension is called what? Jar. Java zip file it is. Now this jar file we cannot understand. Our understandable file is what? Source code. Source code and a Java file. Open this src.zip. Observe here, there are some folders inside. Let me close this and then go java.base inside Java, inside the lang. Look at there is a class called what? String. Okay, and there is a class called what? System. Like string and system, oh my god, there are so many classes available. We are using all these classes in the coming days. Okay, dekho. There is another class called what? Thread. These are the three classes immediately effect we are using from tomorrow. From tomorrow, these three classes are coming into picture. Okay. So now tell me, finally, all these are what? These are the library files. So tell me, where the binary files are available? Bin folder. Where are the library files available? In the lib folder. Okay, now tell me now. If I want to compile Java program, I should come to which folder? Bin folder. If I want to develop my Java program, I should access which folder? Lib folder. Remaining five folders are just they are the helpers. Just they are the helper folders. And main folders are what? Bin and lib. Samajh mein aaya? Please write on this. Java folder structure. Java software contains two types of files. Number one, binary files. Number two, library files. Binary files are right? Java software contains two types of files, binary files and library files. Side of binary files, you write command files running current software programs. Running current software and programs. Binary files, under binary files, running or runs, whatever. Next, library files are what? Program files used in developing new applications. Used in developing new applications. Okay. Complete list I would like to write like this. This is a just overview and this is the complete list. Binary files are, look at this. This is the complete list. Binary files are command files. Library files are program files. Binary file contains commands for running a software. For example, Java is a binary file for running compiler. Library files contains reusable logic for developing other programs. For example, addition class is library file for developing CalC program. Stored in bin folder, stored in lib folder. Only write these 3 points sufficient. Don't write these extra points. These are not required nowadays. Only write those 3 points. Don't write these 3 points. Not required. This is a old versions pointer. Now not required. Only write this much. Binary file is what? Command file. Library file is program file. Contains commands for running a software. Contains reusable logic for developing other programs. For example, Java is a binary for running compiler. Here also let us write. What is that? For example, string comma system or library files for developing our programs. For example, third point, binary files are stored in bin folder, library files are stored in lib folder in a jar file. Lib folder in a jar file. Because there are so many files available, all are stored inside jar. Online students, everyone understand what I explained? Complete or written? Everyone 3 points written? Shall I clear it? Write down. This is C:/JDK. Everyone write down folder structure -21. It inside contains what the first folder? Bin. Inside bin we have javac.exe, java.exe. Come on, write down. Time is not there. Java p.exe, java doc.exe, jar.exe. Then second folder lib. It contains jar file. What the jar file name? Let me verify. Lib folder contains jar file name grt-fs.jar. It contains system.class, string.class, like that, etc. Many are available. Also contain src.zip. You want to see the source code? Then the source code format is available here. Now what is that? String.java and then system.java. JDK bin, bin folder contains these all the files. Lib folder contains, inside we have first one rt.jar, jrt, and src.zip, java. Completed, Anna? What are the names compulsory you have to remember? Java C is what? compiler. Java.exe is what? JVM software name. In future, for compilation we use Java C, for execution we use JVM. Remaining two files we will try to understand in coming classes. So all the people got full clarity on Java software. So tomorrow we will try to understand Java program. It's sufficient for today. I'm not going hurriedly to complete syllabus, because first priority is what? Making you understand. Like in college, I don't want run PPTs here. I want you make fully understand, digest in your brain, then only you should leave the class. All people are comfortable at today class? Really? No confusion, na? Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow, same time, 7:30 p.m. by using the same link. If you have any doubts, you can ask. If no doubts, you can leave. లైసెన్స్ వద్దనుకుంటే ఓపెన్ జేడీకే, లైసెన్స్తో కావాలనుకుంటే ఒరాకిల్ జేడీకే. కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు ఓపెన్ జేడీకే ఒరాకిల్ జేడీకేనే వాడతారు. మన ట్రైనింగ్కి లెర్నింగ్ కోసం ఏదైనా వాడుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఓపెన్ జేడీకే డౌన్లోడ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అంతా కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్స్.